Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. And this video is to bring you a closer look at the Jo number CFD7015 630. This is a pull plate with an 1.5 inch deadbolt hole and a satin stainless steel finish. Let's go over it. Here's the plate. The plate is going to be a 3.5 by 15 size. Okay. This is going to have the 6-inch center to center, 3/4 inch diameter pull. The two holes are here for that preparation. Okay. You have your small holes for mounting the plate to the door. And that gets through bolted, by the way, with those flat head quarter 20 machine bolts that are there in the finish washers. Those will go through the door, and in this case there's a mated push plate on the other side that the countersunk washer will, or the finish washer will set on top of. That other plate also has an 1.5 inch diameter deadbolt hole. And why would you want that? Well, you're going to want that because it's a very convenient place in order for you to be able to have a deadbolt preparation within the pull handle itself. You can see from the link below this video to the document called Template that the 1.5 inch diameter hole is centered in the plate, so it's at 1 3/4 in the center line, but then it is at 2 1/4 center line from the top of the plate down to the center line of the pull, 2 1/4 inch. Okay. Installations where you're going to use that will be, well, just a deadbolt. Imagine this. You have a door that is not a path of emergency egress. You might have a facility by which you might enter during normal business hours, and you have a door closer installed, and you need a pull handle on the exterior pull side of the door. Well, at night when you leave, you're going to put your key in and turn it and lock the deadbolt. What would take an 1.5 inch hole? Lots of locks will take that. Kaba Ilko has a line of low-profile deadbolts that will work in this. Schlag's 100 series would work in that. Their 200 series slam latch would work in it. I believe that Kwikset has a line that will work in it as well, but any lock that's going to require an 1.5 inch hole, this is perfect for you. Okay. That link to the template will give you all of the balance of the dimensional properties that I've not already detailed. It also refers to the other materials that this is made of, and this is stainless steel. And that surface that you're seeing there is nothing other than the peel-away protective film that's on here. Not doing a real good job demonstrating this, forgive me. Peel-away protective film that's covering that pristine 50 thousandths of an inch thick solid stainless steel with a satin finish on it. Okay. Also a reference on the template to the other finishes that are available. 605 for polished brass, 606 for satin brass. Both of those are a brass-based material. 612 is satin bronze, 613 is oil rubbed bronze. Those would typically be a bronze-based material. 628 is a clear anodized aluminum on an aluminum-based material. 629 and 630, both stainless steel. 629 is polished, 630 is satin finish. Okay. Now, the pull handle, this is 3/4 inch diameter stock. This is 6 inch center to center. Okay, so you're going to have a 6 3/4 overall height of the pull. Projection from the face of the door, they give that at 2 1/4, so that means your clearance is 1.5 inches. This is not ADA compliant because that dimension needs to be 2.5 inches from the face of the door to the inside. So this would not work for handicap compliance, so keep that in mind. But of course, Jo can accommodate. Screws are going to be included for the plate if I've not already shown you. Again, those 1/4 20 flathead stove bolts with the finish countersunk washers, the finish washers, are included. There's a link below this video to a document called Product Catalog, which is going to show this pull handle and all of Jo's sister products as it pertains to this pull handle. It's handy because it will allow you to review only the products that pertain and relate to push and pull hardware. You'll see all of the different part numbers as for these items. You can quickly and easily scan for different styles, different variations, and the full offering of what they sell in terms of pulls, including horizontal push bars, ladder pull sets, and then all of the different push and pull combinations that they can put together, and custom options that can be done as well. Okay. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line Donjo catalog and review all things trim and auxiliary hardware from Donjo. Now, they're notoriously famous for their door reinforcing wraparound plates and their latch protectors. That's what everybody knows Donjo for. But as you can see from those subsection parts of the catalogs there, you've got strike plates. Again, you've got ladder pulls, hinges, filler plates for use in both steel doors and steel frames, door stops, door holders, door bumpers, pulls, push plates, protection plates, door edges, pivots, controls, bolts and latches, and auxiliary hardware. They are a comprehensive provider of all things trim and auxiliary hardware. I'm partial to Donjo because they do a good job. I like their products. Their people are nice. Their shipping is reliable and predictable, and they routinely do that over and over again. And quite frankly, that's just what you need to rely on, whether you are a distributor, my client base, a contractor, an engineer, or a homeowner. You just need reliable, predictable performance, very good quality, very good value. Donjo encapsulates all of that. If you have any questions on the Donjo, number CFD7015 and a 630 finish, pull plates with a 1.5" diameter deadbolt hole, or any other Donjo product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.